I'm all alone in my hotel room. I'm getting drunk.
Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. So today, if you can't tell from the title, we are going to be doing a whole house clean with me, I hope. So Colton is out with his aunt right now. I'm not sure how long she's going to keep him for. They're making chili. So I'm going to try to get as much clean as I can. As you can see, the kitchen is a mess again. And everything else is a mess. It's just been a busy week and we just haven't really had time to keep up with it. So that is what we're going to be doing today. Sorry, my neighbor is like literally on his deck right outside my window, which is hilarious. He's probably like, what is that girl doing? Yeah, so we are going to film a whole house clean with me. I have lots of laundry to do. I will show you guys what I am getting up to and we'll get right into it. Let's go.
Drunk on booze from the mini bar. I wonder what you're up to. I shouldn't call you up, I know your number by heart. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. I know you're miles away from me, but still I dream of you and say your name in my sleep. Tell me, isn't that crazy? Just wanna call you up and tell you how I feel. I see you wherever I go, and you don't even know. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. I'm drunk in room 308, and it's getting kinda late. I wish I could just call you up. I'm alone in room 308, yeah, are you awake? Wish I could call you, I'm gonna call you. You are the stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door, the girl next door. The stranger in the corner on the second floor. You're the girl next door. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah. You're the girl next door, yeah. Girl next door, yeah.
I'm feeling way too low to start this night, but I wanna get to your bash. Last night you tried to make me angry, yeah, but this time I get you mad. Oh, don't need apologies, enough for this, I'm burning for you. Can't get enough of the weekend. I wanna seize the night like I can't let go. Can't get enough of the weekend. Don't wanna ever
stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. I need somebody, I need somebody. I need somebody, I need somebody to love. Give me somebody, somebody to love.
Yeah. Loved you from the first time you called me late. Loved you for your wits and your wicked games. Yeah. Always on my mind, always in my brain. Yeah. With you the summer came and went in a day, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. Oh, and I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. Oh, no, nothing's gonna make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. When you're miles away, yeah. You can make it shine when the whole world rains. Always on my mind, always in my brain. With you the days are long and the nights are late, and I've been craving you since the first time that I sat by your side. Ooh, and I've been on my knees thinking time is gonna fix me inside. Anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget, and I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. forget anyway, yeah, yeah. No, nothing's gonna make me forget. Yeah, I don't think I want to forget anyway, yeah, yeah. We've been here too long. I can't breathe, I can't take it slow. We're far away from home, but I can't wait to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Oh, nah, nah. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. I never needed love until I saw and I met your eyes. That's why I'm moving close, to be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Cause every time we leave I'm longing back to the place where the lights go down. Just you and I leaving out the rest. Oh, so that I need is you in my bed. Give me a sign more than in your head. Lonely together at its best. Oh, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Oh, let me know now, now, now. Oh, oh, oh. To be here and to get you under my skin and right back to where we've been. Give me a sign and tell me when to begin. Oh yeah, let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now. Let me know now. Let me know now, now, now. Give me a sign. Let me know now, now, now.
Watch me closely now. I'm traveling at the speed of light, from another universe, where the stardust and kryptonite. Don't be afraid, you're alright, alright. You're in a haze, just for the night, for the night. Just for the night, for the night.
All right. I look like I'm a crazy person. It has been hours. I am done. Well, I'm about as done as it's gonna get. So I'll clean the kitchen. There's some dishes left. I am not hand washing. I don't feel like doing that. So I'm gonna wait till the dishwasher's done, and I'm gonna put those leftover dishes in the dishwasher and run it again. Obviously you see a power wheel sitting here. We've brought that inside now for the winter. So it's gonna go in the basement, but I can't carry it myself, unfortunately. I would like to. I tried, but I can't, so I have to wait for Kenny to get home from work, and then we'll move that downstairs. But as much of the house is cleaned as it's getting cleaned. The only thing I didn't get done was to hang up some clothes in my office. I will do that later. And I didn't get to our master bedroom, but honestly, I'm not like making the bed and shit. I'm going to bed in like 6 hours, so I'm not making my bed. Yeah, but I think I got to everything. I just have some laundry to fold now, which I'm gonna sit down and put on Netflix or something and just fold all this laundry. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this extreme all freaking day clean with me. I hope it gave you guys some major motivation to get some spaces in your house clean. Let me know down below what you guys clean while you're watching along, or if you just like sitting and watching people clean, because I feel you on that. That's what I'm gonna do right now while I'm folding laundry. Yeah, so if you guys are new, thank you for sticking around for the whole video. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. That will keep you up to date on my videos. There's a little bell beside the subscribe button. That'll give you notifications every time I upload. And be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like it. Leave some comments down below, and I love interacting with you guys. I have an Instagram and a Facebook and a Pinterest. Everything is linked below if you want to follow me along there and see more of my son Colton. He wasn't in today's video, unfortunately. I'm sorry for for everyone that likes to see him, but you can see lots of pictures and videos of him over on Instagram. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for sticking around this long if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video.